How to create second Monopoly Go account on your phone. Want to manage two Monopoly Go accounts? Here's how to create a second Monopoly Go account step by step. First, open Monopoly Go app. Here, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Now you can see settings, tap on it. Now tap on manage account. Now in order to create your next account, you can simply tap on play with friends on this Facebook. Then you need to log in with your Facebook, tap on continue. Now enter your email and password. Once you enter your email and password, tap on login. Now here you can see continue as your username. Simply tap on continue. As you can see, you have been connected with your Facebook in this game. And that's how to create a second Monopoly Go account on your device. It takes a few extra steps, but it's totally doable if you manage your logins smartly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.